Hello, everyone. Today, we'll go over another Google Sheets template, specifically the attendance template, which can be useful for teachers tracking student attendance. In the template gallery, select the attendance template. Now we have an attendance sheet in front of us. Let's explore what it includes. In the top left corner, we see the field Class Name. Let's enter our class name here. For example, 10th grade. Below that, in the sheet name, let's also write the class name, Class 1-10th grade. If you have multiple classes, you can duplicate this sheet by right-clicking on the tab and selecting Duplicate. Let's name the new sheet Class 2, 10th grade. Next, we'll enter the teacher's name. Let's say Mr. Benjamin Thompson. Now, let's list the student names. For example, Olivia Carter, Ethan Mitchell, Sophia Hernandez, Jackson Reynolds. The template includes dates, currently set to days in September. You can change them to any month. For example, let's set February 2025. Click on any date cell. In the formula bar, enter the first Monday of February. Let's say February 3rd, 2025. Drag the formula to fill the dates across the row. Now, we notice that weekends, when there are no classes, are included. Let's fix this. Double-click on February 8th to open the calendar. Select the next Monday. Drag the new pattern across the row to adjust all the dates. Now, let's look at attendance statuses. Go to the Attendance Key sheet. Here you'll find the predefined statuses: P, present, L, late E, excused absence, U, unexcused absence. You can add your own statuses. For example, let's add OSS, out of school suspension. The template allows up to 14 statuses by default. If you need more, scroll down and click Add More Rows at the bottom. Let's go back to the attendance sheet. On the right, we see the built-in status columns for late, excused absence, and unexcused absence. Let's add a column for present students. Select column Z, unexcused absence. Right-click and choose plus insert one column right. Copy the formula from Z2 to Z39 and drag it to the new column. Now, let's set the correct formula. Go to the Attendance Key sheet. Find the row numbers for P, present. They are in B7 and C7. Click on the Unexcused Absence formula in the attendance sheet. Replace C10 with C7 and B10 with B7. Now, the correct statuses are assigned. Let's verify the formula that counts present statuses in the month. The current range is C4 to V4, but in the formula, we see W4 instead of V4. Adjust it to match the actual range. Drag the formula across the sheet to apply it. Let's filling in the attendance sheet. Once you start filling in attendance, you'll see how many times each student was late, absent, or present. For example, you can check how many times Ethan Mitchell was late. You can customize the table's design or add filters to sort students alphabetically. Select row 3. Click the filter icon. Now, you can sort students alphabetically. To avoid manually entering statuses, you can select them from a drop-down list. Double-click on a status cell. Choose the correct status from the drop-down. We won't go over all possible formatting options. They are numerous. However, for example, you can highlight present students in green. Select all student data. Go to Format, then Conditional Formatting.
In the Format Cells If field, select Text is exactly, then in the Value or Formula field, enter P.
Click Done. Now all P, present statuses, appear in green. The first row contains a placeholder title. You can replace it with your school name, for example, Ashwood Academy. That's it. In this lesson, we explored how to use the attendance template in Google Sheets. Now you can customize it for your needs and create your own attendance logs.